Great. Okay, I'm back, and we've just spun our cells. You can see I've got the two tubes here. I'm going to spray them off a little. Take the pellet here, and I don't know if you can. Let's see if you can see. There's a white pellet at the bottom of the tube. That's the cells that have been spun down. I'm going to go ahead and flame that open. Okay. And I'm going to pour it into the old dish. It should have been left open. It wasn't. I'm going to need to flame it. Okay. So here we go. We're decanting off the media from the cell pellet into the old dish. Okay, it's usually a very strong pellet. It doesn't come off the bottom. Okay, there's that. Here's this discarded media. We're done with that now. I'm going to put it over here. Now, I've taken the time to label the flask that we're going to split them in. We're going to split these 2 to 10. And then I'm going to make 3 microscope dishes also. I'm going to put some media in this first, just because it's easy to pour directly to get the dilution here. Put a little line on the bottom of that flask there so I know how much is in there. Now here's the part that's a little tricky. Okay, we're going to get a transfer pipette. Okay. And I'm going to open this up so that the numbers are toward me. Okay. Keeping your hands in the hood. I'm going to go ahead and get 10 mils of my media. Okay. And then I'm going to resuspend the pellet. A lot of times at this point I take the lid and I just put it over here because I need both my hands to manipulate this. You put in here. Okay. You put in a little bit of media and you go up and down, just a little volume like this, okay, until the pellet softens up and gets resuspended. Go up and down quite a few times. Check that the pellet is completely resuspended. If you don't want to use a full 10 mils, you can always use a little less. The dilution factor is based on the volume that this is suspended in now. So now I have one dish in 10 mils of solution, 10 mils of media. So then what I do when it's all nice and suspended up, okay, I'm going to take this and I'm going to put 2 mils into this dish. So this is my 2 to 10. 1, 2, okay, and then I'm going to just dilute directly into these because I want them to grow very, very quickly, and I'm just going to go ahead and put about 2 mils into each one of these dishes. I'll just use all this up here. This is probably very concentrated for starting cells, but I want to see how quickly I can get them growing to test the microscopy tomorrow. There you go. Flame close all your containers. This gets flame closed. This gets flame closed. Okay. These things here get treated with bleach because we're going to be discarded before they go down the drain. Thank you.